We're delighted to announce that we've moved offices. We've actually stayed in 28 Bruton Street, but we've moved across to the south side, and we're delighted to give you a short tour of our new place. So in the hallway of our building, 28 Bruton Street, the whole building is now devoted to pictures from our collection. Here we have an enormous 1 by 1.5 meter watercolor. I mean, that is quite a statement when you look at the quality of this piece. It's called Against the Sun by Yevgeny Petrov from Odessa. We're also starting to do contemporary work from Ukrainian artists. Technically, this is absolutely brilliant. It's difficult enough to paint in watercolor, but to do so with such an enormous size piece is even better. Then in the hallway we have the beginning of our exhibition of Yakov Chernikov, which goes the entire way up to the 5th floor. And our office is in here. So there we have Aristokhlin Tulov, which is sold, Snikova, Bogomazov, an entire wall of Bogomazov, and then Boris Kosyrev. And on this occasion, our office looks out onto Bruton Street, and so this is exclusively our office for the sole purposes of Russian art. So we moved basically across the passageway from our office that we were sharing with Pierre-Yves Guillemin, and we've moved into our own office, same location, 28 Bruton Street. That is literally 100 yards from Sotheby's. It's right in the centre of the art dealing world, and we now have a purpose-built office. It's had interior designers working on it, it's had professional bricklayers working on it, professional hangers working on it. So we now have a very professional hanging system. I think the presentation is infinitely better and much more professional. We'd be delighted to see you at 28 Bruton Street, London W1, anytime.